Yeah! It's another Monday. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ajah, your one and only friend, your solar power system installer, your Cctv installer, your electrical wiring, electric works installation expert, your smart home automation guru. Yes. We do all about tech here at Blessed Port Technologies Company. Yes. Yeah. We're here again. And today I've come to you with one of our package, one of our big offers. We're on promo sales now on some of our products. And here you can see them. Yeah, these are double lens CCTV camera, solar powered. Yeah, solar powered. We're on promo sales now. Yeah. Just place your order on this number and it gets to you at just 100,000 naira. 100,000 naira, 100k. Simple. Yeah. We're running promos on our products. With this solar powered CCTV camera, we could supervise, monitor, watch over your surroundings, maybe your home, your apartment. Maybe you're traveling out for a few weeks or so. So just to keep in touch about how things are moving, how to check around, ensure that everything is in place while you are away. So this is good for you. With just a one-time connection with your smartphone, you are good to go. The one-time connection with your what? Smartphone. You are good to go. Place your order and type CCTV camera. Place your order. CCTV camera. It's double lens. It's double lens. Look at it. And this is rotating 360. Yeah. It comes with double lens with clear night vision. Yeah, you could see things at night. Just at 100,000 naira promo price now. Normally we're selling this product at 120,000 naira, but now it's at 100,000 naira due to this festive period coming. It's approaching. The festive period has already started. On our side here, we've started celebrating Christmas and New Year. Yeah. So place your order today. Place your order now. We have stocks available. There's with orders coming in. The stocks are going down. So place your order before it finishes. Place your order before it finishes. And again, I told you in the last video about differences in solar power system and solar generators. So that one is still there. If you have a solar power system that you're having issues with, so just call my number. Call us. We'll provide you the necessary solution and the best. When I say the best, I mean the best. So to serve you well, we're at your service. And as I said earlier, your electrical wirings, we are there for you. You want to automate your building? You can automate your building with token amount. You don't need big millions for a start. Yes. So to ensure that everything you are going smart and techy every time and every day. So advance in technology with us at Blessed Port Technologies Company. We're giving you one of our products again at a promo price, 100,000 naira for this double lens solar powered CCTV camera. It comes with a free 32 gig memory card for storage, and yeah, That's all. That's all. That's all for now. That's all for now. If you have questions, please do well to ask your questions. Do well to ask your questions. And that WhatsApp number 070-5892-6558. 070-5892-6558. WhatsApp me and make your orders. Make your orders now before they go down. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I love to hear from you in no time. Start ordering now. Use it to supervise your school, your business, your fashion store, your bookshop, your compounds at homes, and what have you. We are here for you. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you. It's another part.